Howdy, howdy, howdy. Good to be back again. I have an old gospel hymn, an old gospel song or hymn here with an arrangement for, let's say, advanced beginners, somebody in their first or second year of playing the banjo. And it's Amazing Grace. It's written by 1772 by a former slave trader who was in the Navy, John Newton, who got converted to Christianity, and he composed this song in 1772, first published in 1779. It's become very popular ever since. Now I've set this in the key of G. It's a lot of open strings. It's in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. You got that kind of beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So every measure has 3 beats. One thing I haven't dealt with before in my previous lessons is swing time or swing eighths. In other words, you'll see the eighth notes written just like normally on a tab, but the first one is longer than the second eighth note. So instead of long, short, long, long, short, long, long, short, long, long, short, long, da 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 da, swing time. Down, da da down. Instead of da da down, it goes da da down, da down, doodle. So you'll hear it on the video. I'm going to post a tab after I explain things a bit. Again, use the tab as a reference. This will be on YouTube again. You can slow it down to half speed or 1/4 speed. And if you print off the tab and have it in front of you, you can follow my video at a slow speed and listen to every note. You will catch on to this swing, no problem, I don't think. It's a matter of hearing. A lot of it's hearing, learning by listening, and learning from the page and the tab notes. So, not a big deal, but just want to make sure you understand swing eighths. Sometimes they're called uneven eighths. In other words, eighth notes, 2 of them, they're not an even length. The first one's longer than the second one. Longer in duration, time duration I'm talking about. Okay, just a bit of music theory. Okay, what's going on here? We only have, if you're chording with this, there's a guitar player's chording with you, if it comes up in a jam, there's only 3 chords. So it's just the G and the C and the D. All right, nothing, there's no slides, no hammer-ons, no pull-offs. So it's all, again, just notes. I've circled the melody notes in red just to help you out. And in the video, you can hear the guitar in the background strumming the chords, keeping the beat, along with my banjo, which is playing, of course, the lead part. So that's it. Very popular gospel song, and I hope you have fun learning it. Take care till next time.
Oh, yeah.